Today we are going to take care of my chicken, so you will have one night with me. Every day I go in the morning, in the night I go by myself to my chicken house. Then now we have this food called the chicken biryani. Oh my god, Zayino, I love you so much. And then we start to do what?
Mixing.
We make amata ichifukutu.
Kada wayibonye etaje yacu. Okay, let me come. This is our daughter.
My daughter, not yours.
Sorry, hey, not mine.
She always feel fear about the chicken, so now I challenge her. Okay, I like encouraging. If she carry one, I give her 1K. If she carry two, I give 10K right now. Hello my friends, so today I'm going to highlight the day of taking care of chicken. So now first I'm going to be Sozy. I'm going to buy some wood. Today we are going to take care of my chicken, so you will have one night with me. Every day I go in the morning, in the night I go by myself to my chicken house. I prepare the food for them, the vitamins, if they have medicine, specialty medicine. So I take care of them all. Sometimes Esther she come with me, sometimes she stay in the house to do something else. Maybe she do prank for me, she try this time. And then I hope you will enjoy this video of today. Murakoze. If you want to say something?
Nizere ko mwese mumeze neza. Ubushize twaberetse inkoko, twarazibaze, twaberetse harimo udushwi. Ubu mugiye kureba twadushwi twarashize, murabona n'utundi. So mukurikirane video yose mpaka irangiye.
Okay, let me finish the drink.
So guys, muri kubibona turimo gukora isuku mu kiraro, turimo kongeramo ibarizo ryari ririmo ryaraboze cyane, ryari ritangiye kuba ifumbire. Zino nkoko rero z'inyama ziri very sensitive, zikeneye isuku, ziba zikeneye kuzitaho cyane. Iyo ziri ahantu hari umwanda zirapfa. Ziba zikeneye kurya ibiryo bifite isuku, amazi afite isuku, kurara ahantu hasa neza. Murabibona ko turi kuzisasira. Ntabwo wapfa kuyizana ngo uyishyire mu nzu hatari ibarizo ngo bishoboke. Ugomba kuzigira isuku, ukajya ucunga ko ibarizo riboze ukongeramo irindi. Urimo kubibona ko arimo kuzisasira. So guys, muri kubibona rero mu kiraro amaze gushyiramo irindi barizo, murabona ukuntu hasa neza. Ubu none uyu munsi zirarara neza rwose.
Now we finished to put the wood on the ground, so this one we have to repeat it like every few days. When we see the ground start to wait, so we have to bring 1 agafuka or 2 agafuka of wood and then we put it in the ground again. So guys, this one from Zamura.
Ni ibiryo by'inkoko tubigura muri kampani yitwa Zamura. Zamura igira ibiryo byiza by'inkoko bifite vitamini nyinshi, nyine ntago babitubura pe. Ni Zamura nyine. Mutaza ndabona hano. You need help? Mutongo n'umufasha. N'umufasha.
You see, this is my daughter.
This is our daughter.
My daughter, not yours.
Sorry, hey, not mine. Ntonguru gusara. Yakubyaye wenyine. Ibi ni ibiryo by'inkoko z'amagi, murabona ukuntu biba bisa. Byitwa grower. Grower biba bimeze nk'ifu y'ibigori, muri kubibona. Biba bimeze nk'ifu y'ibigori, kabibereke neza. Nuko biba byifashe. Ibi ngibi ni ibiryo by'izi nkoko z'amagi.
Ibiryo.
Ya nkoko z'amagi. Ibiryogo.
We need 1.5.
San in the bus.
Tony, you carry this.
Mutotwara ibyo bikeye.
So stop the record and then start with the work. So the difference between the Isa Brown and the broiler, this one, it's like fighting chicken. So they don't see too much, okay? They are healthy always.
They don't eat too much.
They don't eat too much, yeah. They eat like this one. Now they start to eat like 80 gram, each one chicken, 80 gram per day. That's when we have broiler up. They eat 200 grams per day. Yeah, they eat too much. So this is the difference between them. This one for egg only. Eggs, amaji. That one for meat.
This medicine for what?
Okay, so this one the medicine,
You show the
they
people.
have like coccidia or something.
Hey.
So because that chicken, the small one we have up, so that one they have coccidia. But now they finished, thanks God. So this one we put for protection. So they don't have the sickness yet, but we protect them. So we put for them like 1 spoon for 20 liters of water. Okay, and then when we put, let me put. Like only 1 spoon for protection. And then we start to do what?
Mixing.
We make amata ichifukutu.
It doesn't need you for good.
Yeah, we start to do like this. Ichifukutu.
And they're chunde.
Ichifukutu. Okay guys, so now we are doing what? This is the food, or they call it finisher. So this one, it has 18% of protein. So this one is good for the chicken. They are not about to finish.
Cannot see the food.
Yeah, you zoom to the food, no problem. Okay, so this one they need 2 basse. Is it basse? Okay.
Mwabonye ukuntu byo bimeze, biba bimeze nk'ikira, biba bimeze nk'umuceri, gusa nyine nuko umuceri wo aba ari umweru. Murimo kubibona.
You show here the food. You show the food.
Yes. Murimo kubibona ukuntu biba bimeze, ni nk'impungure. Sinzi ukuntu nabivuga, ni hagati y'umuceri n'impungure. Gusa nyine byo biba bisasu nk'iki, nk'ibishyimbo se, nk'amasaka. Sinzi nyine ibara ryabyo ukuntu nyine namwe bari kubibona. This food they call it what?
Finisher.
Finisher. Ibi ni byo bita finisher.
Yeah, this one from Zamora.
Iby'inkoko z'inyama ariko zisa nk'izikuze, zitari udushwi dutoya. Okay, let me come.
Esther, she's trying to go the same way. This is my daughter. This is my daughter Motoni. She's doing the water here. Okay, you see how she flipped, my daughter? Yeah, you flip. Oh my God! It's my daughter is very strong. This is my beautiful wife. She's doing the job as always. No, basically she don't come with me every time. Yeah, so that's why she's soft. Yay! Okay, now she flip. You see how she flip? Yeah, you see, no water at all. I lied to them. Oh my God! So this is the small chicken. They're small. They have good health now. Before they have coccidia. This is my daughter Motoni. She's taking caring. Yes. So I lost too many of them because of coccidia. But now I put, you see, like this one, it has it has problem, still have problem. So I lost like 50 until now to 60. Okay, then now we have this food called the chicken biryani. Oh my God, Zaino, I love you so much. Okay, this food, which is small food, this one they call it starter. Starter will start from day 0 to 21. Now some people, they will tell me in comment, yeah, but we have another food for them which is better, like powder, is starter powder. We can use that one from day 1 to day 8. But for me, I like this one because I don't like to change food too much. Every time you change food, guys, you have to put some medicine, they call it, later I will tell you in comment. So that one to to protect them from changing food.
You will tell them in comment. Come on.
Okay guys, so now we have here my dear wife. She always feel fear about the chicken. So now I challenge her, okay? I like encouraging. If she carry one, I give her 1K. If she carry 2, I give 10K right now. Yeah, you just see, my dear. Yes, Issa, you can do it. You can. 2 10K. See this one also sick here. I think this is the same one. Okay, Issa, you can do it. Issa, oh my God, you earned the first 5K. Okay, let me give you the 5K first. Okay guys, you see this is 5K. I'm not kidding you. We are doing job here. We are working. Okay, so we move to other one. Okay. No, yeah, 2 together. In each hand you carry one. I'm preparing the 1K, the 5K for you. Okay, so I give you this one. Just take.
Hey.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, Issa and 5K. You choose. You carry 2 in both hands. Yes, Issa, you can do. Okay, this is the first one. You have to keep carrying. Yeah, she work in chicken and then she don't know how to carry chicken. Okay, you need the other one. Oh my God, you lost, my dear. You have to repeat. You carry 2. You have to carry 2 together. So guys, I repeat, so this chicken, I lost like 50 chicken, around 50 to 60 chicken, only because of coccidia. Coccidia, you can see the blood in the susu, which is not good. Okay, the first one is the... Okay, my dear, this is the first. You carry the second. Help you want? Okay. Mufasha. Okay. Esther, we are all waiting for you. Yes! No. Yes! Yeah, you carry. You have to carry both. Okay. Congratulations, you earned the second
Okay
round.
guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate that. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our page and support us as always on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So as long as you reach to the end of the video, so I'm going to give you my phone number so we can be friends together. You just search 0793 898 298 without disturbing. Thank you so much again. See you in the next video.